Hey kids, let's explore the concept of thick and thin. When we are talking about this concept, then we compare the space between the two sides of that object. If the space is more, then that object is called thick. Thick means mota. And when the space is less, then that object is called thin. Thin means patla. Thick is mota and thin is patla. We generally connect this concept of thick and thin with the non-living things. Now let's observe this with some pictures. What a yummy burger! But can you see the difference among the two? Yes, one has lots of vegetables and another has very less. When Mama makes burger for you, she puts lots of vegetables to make it a healthy one. So that burger is thick. But when you eat, you take out all those vegetables from inside and just chill on the tikki and bun. So that burger then becomes thin. Isn't that funny? I just love softie. Can you see the softie in the picture? The two softies are not same. One softie has too many flavors of ice cream scoop and one has only one single ice cream scoop. So, which one you will choose? Will you not fight with your brother and sister to take the softie which is on the right? The softie with too many flavors of ice cream scoop is thick and the softie with single scoop of ice cream is thin. When Mama piles the blanket and bed sheet, have you seen the difference? The blanket pile is thick and the bed sheet pile is thin. Now in this hot summer, kids, which type of clothes would you like to wear? The thick jacket, which one is on the left, or the soft thin t-shirt which is on the right? I would enjoy wearing the soft and thin clothes. Have you seen these kind of oil cans in your mama's kitchen? The bottle on the left is thin because it has less space between its two edges, and the bottle on the right is thick because there is more space between its two edges. Can you see the two books talking to each other? Do you think they are deciding about who is thick and who is thin? Let's find it out. The green book has less pages, so it is thin, patla. And the blue book has more pages, so it is thick, mota. Now look at these trees and observe their log. The tree on the left has thick log and the tree on the right has thin log. Do you have these kind of pencils? The yellow pencil is thick and the green pencil is thin. Now look at the picture of two uncles and see, one uncle is having lots of hair on his head. So we will say The man on the right has thick hair and the man on the left has less hair na, so he is having thin hair. What is this? Have you ever seen this? Mama ties this in the balcony to dry clothes. This is rope. The rope on the top is thin and the rope in the bottom is thick. Can you guess it? What it is? It is a pizza slice. 2 pizza slices. Do you enjoy eating pizza? So, which one would you choose? The thick slice on the right or the thin slice on the left? Now kids, it's your turn. Find out the objects in your home and try to find it out which is thick and which is thin. Discuss it with the class.